Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Brian back with another video. Today, I'm just talking about how you should not pay your credit cards, you should not pay your loans if it is above a couple $1,000s. Let me tell you why. So, let's say you owe, I guess, 20K, right? A lot of people owe 20K or more. This is under your profile, right? Your credit profile. Your credit profile has your SSN and all your info, all your personal info, your address, etc. Right? Now, if you stop paying this 20K, you're gonna mess up your profile, which is connected to your info and your SSN. So you're not gonna be able to buy a house, you're not gonna be able to rent an apartment, you're not gonna be able to buy a car, whatever, right? So what do? Instead of paying this balance off, what you need to do is get this debt removed. Now, how does debt get removed? So, generally what happens is a CPN gets created. Now, some information is added to the CPN to create a profile, correct? Now, this is going to have your CPN number here. It's going to have some info, and this is not going to be connected to you, right? These two will not transfer to each other. And now this 20K is going to get moved to the CPN, and it's going to get removed from your personal profile. Now what's going to happen with the CPN is they're going to start going after the CPN. This is not you though, so it doesn't matter to you. It doesn't matter at all. And the way that this works is companies have personal connections at, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian. There's people inside these companies that have connections and they're able to do this for you. Now, these people, what they do is they go through and they file this as fraud, as misinformation, this debt right here, and they connect it to the correct CPN, right? So this is the correct owner of this debt, and you're no longer liable for this debt. Now, the good thing is, this also works for any type of debts. So let's say you have, let's just delete this. Let's say you owe $80,000 in student loans. Now, with this student loan debt, again, it's connected to your profile, right? You gave them your social security number when you signed up for a student loan. You gave them your address, everything, right? So now this is connected to you and you owe this $80,000. Now the same routine is going to happen. Someone at the company is going to create a CPN profile, and that's going to have the CPN number, and it's going to have all sorts of information which is not connected to you at all. And after this CPN is now responsible for this $80,000 in debt, and they're going to go after this CPN. Mind you, none of this information is connected to you at all. Now, again, insiders at banks, insiders at these companies, they're able to do this for you perfectly. Now, the one that I've had the best experience for and my clients, matter of fact, this screenshot is from one of my clients. They had $175,000 of debt deleted, 29 accounts. This included student loans, personal loans, car loans, credit card, everything. So they did the custom package, 100K plus debt removed for under, I believe, $15,000. So less than 10% of what they owed, they got it all removed. Now for people who owe like $5,000, you can get it removed in 500. So that's pretty much only one payment. So with one payment, you can just get it all removed within a week or so. If you have 10,000, you can get it removed for $750. 20,000, you can get it removed for only $1,500, and so on and so forth. Now keep in mind, this removes everything, your student loans, everything. So instead of wasting your money and putting your money towards something that you're never going to be able to pay off, people pay off their debts for their life and they die with debt under their name. So just get it removed with a one-time type of thing. I always tell people, you're not responsible for your debts. CPNs are. That's how I'm able to live. I live off CPNs. I help my clients do this all day, every day. Have a good one, guys. Good luck with your debt.